What if I told you that today you can open up an Etsy shop that sells these kind of products that sell hundreds of units per day, and you don't have to have equipment nor inventory or skill of how to operate these kind of machines that make these kind of products possible. Now you can go on Printify or Printful and sell products that everybody's selling and not have success. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you guys exactly how you can sell unique products without actually having to have the money nor the equipment. And at the end of this video, I promise you that you will be able to sell high-level products on just your computer. Now, the question we often ask when we want to sell on Etsy is, what can we sell? What does Printful allow me to sell? Or, hey, what am I able to make? Hey, what do I have money for? But the question that you need to be asking is, what is selling out there? And let me sell that. And then you ask the seller that sells that exact product so that he can make and ship your product as well. It is literally that simple. Now, you might say, why would he want to fulfill orders for a competitor? Well, here's the thing. I do that exact business model with my dog collars. I'm a top seller for dog collars, and I've opened the doors for other sellers, and it's a great business model. Now, if you need help on how to convince a seller to sell their product, check out the link in the description. I actually have a video you can send to them talking from the perspective of the manufacturer. Now, in this video, I'm going to find a product, and then we're going to reach out to the seller and find out if we can sell. Okay, so Father's Day is coming up. Let's find a product that sells well during Father's Day. Now, as we're scrolling, we find that a lot of people are selling the similar products. Like this is already being selling and this is already selling. Let's find something that's not sold. All right, so we've typed in leather gift for him. Now, since we found a lot of products that were very similar, I had decided to add some kind of a material that men usually like. And leather is one of them. You can do wood. In this case, we're going to do leather. So some of the products that are already standing out to me is these key trays. So let's take a look on how these trays are selling. Quick little side tip, when you go on reviews, you go on most recent, and this allows you to be chronologically, which means we can see how many reviews are being left for this product in the chronological order. If there's at least one review per day or every other day, that shows us that there is some activity with this listing. So let's take a look. So there's May 23rd, May 21st, May 21st. So this one is doing really well. Now we can check E-Rank, we could check Marmalade. There's so many different techniques that I teach you guys. Link is in the description if you want to know more. But this one, let's go with this one. Let's say that we want to sell leather trays. That's what we're going to do. We're going to type in leather tray. We're going to find sellers who we're going to try to reach out and see if we can sell their product as well. So first one, we're just going to open up a separate page for this. And we want somebody that can personalize it for us. This one doesn't personalize it, only this one does. And so this is another reason why when you find products that only one person does, that means there's so little competition on personalized leather trays. Oh, and by the way, they don't have to make that exact product. As long as they have the tools to make that product, that's all you really need. So you might even find somebody that makes leather wallets and get this product done. And let's just also confirm with this seller as well. And sure enough, they're doing really well. So these trays are looking really mighty fine. So, all right, so we come to their Facebook, they got an email, and there's a way for us to contact. Now, we're going to find a few other sellers. Now, the reason why you want to reach out to several of them is because not everyone is going to say yes. So I'm going to fast forward this part of the video because I don't need to bore you. All right, so we found somebody that will do our trays for us. The best part is sometimes they have photos that they don't use for their listings. And in this case, they actually went ahead and did a little bit more. They decided to actually take photos for us. Now, what could most likely happen is that you would need to buy a sample from them and do your own photography or figure out a way to do mock-ups. But in this case, we really lucked out and they actually had some photos for us. And we have some stunning photos. And remember, all of this is done from our computer. So what they did is they got us these beautiful photos, and they actually offer 3 different types of leather. By the way, if you want to know how to get connected with them, sign up with that link and reach out to me, and I'll make sure that you guys get connected with them so that you can sell this exact product. Another way you could do this business is that you can actually buy these trays and send it to their address if they don't deal with leather. As long as they have a CO2 laser machine, that could also work. They don't always have to have all the equipment. You could actually make a deal where either they or you yourself buy the product and ship it to their address, and they'll fulfill it for you. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to personalize this because that's exactly what the customers want. Customer wants personalization. So look at the kind of photos that we got. We can do personalized text. Now they have some letters and on them engraved already, but nothing a little Photoshop can't fix. Then I started to work on my own designs. This is why this kind of partnership really does work really well and is allowed on Etsy, is because I'm the designer that decides what is engraved on my trays. All right, so now that our designs are ready, I think we're ready to put together a listing. Now, how are they going to fulfill our orders? Are they going to log into our Etsy account? Not exactly. We're going to use ShipStation. ShipStation is a platform where you're able to connect your Etsy shop or any other selling channels like Amazon or Shopify. Now, they're not the sponsor of this video, but I've been a user of them and I've been absolutely loving them. So there you go, free press. But what you're essentially going to do is you're going to create an account with ShipStation. Then you are going to connect your Etsy account to the ShipStation, and you're going to give the manufacturers or whoever's manufacturing your product a user account. So they are able to log in and you are able to assign orders that are appropriate for them, and they're going to fulfill those orders and ship it out utilizing their account. So that way they never have to log in on your Etsy account, but they're able to actually see those orders and fulfill them. Now, because we had a ton of great looking photos, it wasn't really hard to put together this listing. So what we can do is replicate that again. And what we can do is ask those same exact people, hey, do you have other products that are doing really well that we can target towards Father's Day? Now, if you want to know more exactly on a step-by-step on how I do this exact business model, there's a link in the description. There's a free training on showing you exactly how to do this. Now, I utilize this business model in this video. You guys can go check it out because I was able to generate almost $4,000 in a week on month 2 of this Etsy shop existing. So go ahead and check it out. And until next time, have a great one.